Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a very important and popular tech stock. It's the strategy tech stock, formerly called MicroStrategy. I'm sure you're interested because you are probably a crypto fan. You're probably interested in crypto. A lot of you are, as we see here regularly on the channel, by your comments and so on. So yeah, today we take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can get access to different asset classes, including tech stocks. So we click on our tech stocks section here and we take a look at the strategy chart. And I want to start with the daily chart. We haven't covered strategy for quite some time, but now due to all of this volatility, I think it's quite important that we take a look at this chart. And it's important to just be aware of the relevant levels, the key risk levels, probabilities, and so on. So first of all, our expectation is that the market is currently in a third wave rally to the upside. You can see that here. We're likely in this third wave up. This is a long-term chart, so we'll take a look at the detailed wave count in a minute on the 4-hour time frame. We have several key levels here against which we can still focus on higher. So with a probability of 70%, we expect the market to go higher in this third wave. We have levels, support levels at $153.50 and $102.40. These are the key levels that we are watching, and against those, we can track higher prices, we can focus on higher prices. And important is just to understand that once the price, or should the price, break below $153.40, well, this will shift probabilities towards a much larger wave 2. In this scenario, then this here would be a very, very high B wave, which is not what we expect, because a B wave is typically not that high. It wouldn't overshoot that much, but it can be an alternative scenario. But please note that even if it's a high B wave, it doesn't even necessarily has to go down that much. But anyway, for now, that would be an alternative. That's why we only assign a 30% probability, because such a high B wave, it is just not a likely scenario. Currently, we would expect the price to go higher as per this scenario here, in which we are expecting a third wave rally to unfold, which should then medium term send the price to $500, $600 plus. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, because here you can see that we're currently in some kind of a correction. And in our preferred interpretation, we see this chart in a wave 2 correction. As I said, the key level is $153.50. So as long as we're holding above that level, this pullback, this correction is seen as a so-called wave 2. And a wave 2 is normally a deep correction, and as you can see here, it's labeled a WXYXZ correction. This Z wave is possibly extending and could still form one more low. Actually, that's what we expect. There is currently no evidence that a low is in place, but we assume the price is very, very close to a turnaround to the upside and could start a third wave rally, which should take the price above $550, probably actually more into the region $700, $800 and beyond. So that means we have to prepare for maybe one more low, but if that happens, the market should hold above $153.50. Below that level, what would be the next key level? What would be the next support level? Below that level, $44.59 is the next support. That's here. Lower support, you could say, structural support, and also an invalidation level. So we have to just pay very close attention now throughout the week and maybe the next couple of weeks here to the microstructure. As I explained already, a low could be in. That would be the alternative scenario. In the preferred interpretation, one more low seems likely, but still it suggests we're quite close to a low. And probabilities for a direct move to the upside are assigned with 30%. So that means going up from here is not preferred. One more low, 70% probability, then recovery. And the third wave should be the most aggressive rally, and then there should be a higher low for strategy and a higher high, which then should be a full 5-wave pattern. And also here you can see the alternative scenario, alternative B, but that is just not expected. It would be a very, very aggressive B wave. Quite a bullish outlook, but again, there is a lot of concern, a lot of fear in the market at the moment. So yeah, just please note that this here, as long as we're holding 153.50, still allows for a bullish outcome. That's the update about strategy. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about different stocks, cryptocurrencies, then make sure that you register on our website. You can find a link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.